I say go with what seems fun to you. Start there, and that'll inspire you. Start also OCR racing because it seemed really fun to go on the monkey bars and run.
What's OCR?
It's obstacle course racing. Obstacle course racing. So ayun, and once I started, you meet a different community. They invite you to different type of sports, and then you inspire yourself, and you start wanting to go on that journey on your own. You know.
Ito naman about the show. What excites you most about being a Kapuso, and what kind of projects do you hope to do?
Well, I'm open to any project. I mean, lahat naman ng project na nabigay sa akin, I'm very proud of and really grateful for. And what I'm most excited about this role is that I'm playing a character that just feels so cool. And I mean, I know we're not supposed to I mean, we're not our characters, you know, that's why we're playing these roles, but this one just seems like it's so Tony, you know? Like, I don't know, just in a way where it's just something personally that I've always wanted to play, so I'm like, this is like right up my alley. I mean, I've definitely played these roles before, but they're few and far in between, so that's why whenever I get a role like this, it's like, okay, this is like my baby for now. I really want to enjoy this, just take in every moment and really enjoy it.
How would you describe Herlene, and do you think you have a chemistry together?
I mean, did you guys see her today? Like, she's hilarious, you know? She's so much fun to be around, and it's like that on set all the time. So, really thankful for her because she has like, ang dami niyang kailangan gawin, you know? I mean, siya yung bida ng show namin. So, in a way, that's a lot of pressure on her automatically. And then at the same time, siya pa yung ganun yung energy, ganun yung energy na sinishare niya sa amin. So, ang dami namin natututunan kay Herlene in terms of work ethic, dedication, passion. Honestly, it's really inspiring. And so I feel blessed to be on set every day witnessing that. And, you know, that gives me the strength then to do what I need to do.
Next question po. Do you also see yourself doing comedy? What are the challenges?
You know, I wish I was a funny person. I really do. I guess, you know, you can't have it all. So, but I wish. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you can learn how to be funny. Sana.
Tony, additional lang. I'm just curious, di ba kapuso ka na ngayon? What's your contract?
Well, technically, I don't know if I'm kapuso. I don't even know how this works, just because we were offered this show and we asked permission and they said okay. So for now, I think maybe it's just
Per project. Per project.
Yeah.
Yung contract na per project.
I mean there is no contract.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean
Hiniram ka lang.
hiniram lang. I
So, sino
mean
manager mo?
si Star Magic and Kuya Mario Colmenares.
Okay. So, doon ka pa din. So, hindi ka pa Sparkle.
Hindi po. Hindi po.
What if the opportunity comes na offeran ka na maging Sparkle artist? How would you react?
I honestly don't know how to react. So I think right now I just want to focus on what's been given to me. And I really just want to, gusto ko lang talaga galingan itong binigay sa akin. Kasi napakagandang project. Napakamagandang project. Maganda din yung time slot. And so ayun, I want to do my best and sana matuwa yung mga tao na sa mga mapapanood nila.
Ano naging reaction mo nung payagan ka ng Star Magic na gumawa ng show sa GMA?
Meant to be. Meant to be. Kasi pwede naman sila mag-no eh. Pwede sila humindi. I-respect ko naman yung mga boss ko. Pero since umokay sila, then, you know, I think si Lord na yun, hindi ba?
So what if magtuloy-tuloy yung kapuso?
I mean, though that all sounds nice, diba? Pero ang point ko lang is, parang gusto ko muna i-focus yung energy ko dito. Kasi parang, I'm sorry if this comes off too strong. Ako kasi yung mapapaya kung ang dami kong sabihin ngayon about those questions, you know? Because if it happens or if it doesn't happen, parang ayoko kainin yung sasabihin ko ngayon. Kaya sa ngayon, really grateful and blessed na binigyan ako ng project na to that I was even thought of in the first place here in GMA, and super happy that nag-align lahat ng stars na natuloy yung project.
And you still have ties with your home network.
Yes,
pala.
of course. Yeah.
You're enjoying the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
Mas
Yes.
maganda yun.
Yes, tama po. Tama.
Tapos isa na lang, Tony, kanina, puta na pag-usapan na yung laplapan kanina.
Sabi na eh, kinabahan ako nung pumunta ka dito.
Ano ang lasa ng halik na
Ay, lasa
Herlin?
agad.
Lasa talaga?
Oo.
God. Shucks. Lasa? Oh my gosh. Ano? Lasang Japan.
Sa Japan. Doon kinuna.
Lasa-
Doon pala kinuna.
lasang
Sa lasang,
Japan.
ano ba pagkain ng Japan? Sushi. Bagong toothpaste ng Japan ba?
Hindi, si Herlin, ano siya, matagal ko na siyang gustong makatrabaho, kaya blessing din to para sa akin. Really.
Bakit? Saan mo siya napanood dati? Ba't gusto mo siya matagal mo nang gusto makatrabaho?
Unique siya eh. Unique si Herlin. Sino bang aayaw na makatrabaho siya, di ba? Parang sa industriya na to, siya yung isa sa standout eh. Na nung nakita ko siya, feeling ko, ewan ko, may something lang, feeling ko mabuting tao. Alam mo yun, na yung solid, kumbaga. So, puro lang magaganda ang masasabi ko about Herlin. And with the kiss, I hope naman that I can leave some of you guys room for imagination naman. So sana mapanood niyo yung eksena para
Mas nakaka-excite nga sa lasa.
Yes.
Depende sa kwento niya.
Kasi yung sinabi mo, lasang Japan.
lasang Japan.
Pero
Tony,
in-expect
pareho-
mo ba na ganun ang personality ni Herlin? In-expect mo na ganun yung personality niya?
Yes.
Off
Yes.
cam?
Yes, what katulad nga nung sinabi ni Mamang, what you see is what you get. And so ngayon masaya ako na ma-confirm ko nga na kung ano yung nakikita niyo kay Herlin, ganun lang talaga siya. She has no bad intentions and
Pareho kayong loveless.
yes.
So,
exactly.
may chance.
You know what? Katulad nung sinabi ni Kevin, first and foremost, we want to keep
First of all, congratulations to Binibining Marikit. So how does it feel na panood na yung first episode? Ano yung feeling?
Really happy na we get to see all of our hard work and excited ako na lumabas din yung character.
And since yun, open na rin yung collaboration and you're on GMA na ngayon. So ngayon kasi napapaisip yung kung sino daw yung mga papasok sa bahay ni Kuya. If ever ba na offeran ka na pumasok ng bahay ni Kuya, would you accept it?
I mean, I'm never shutting my doors. If I get that opportunity, then why not?
Wow. And since you mentioned that, kung kunwari, papasok ka na nga ng bahay ni Kuya, what character would you like to be on inside the bahay ni Kuya? And ano yung parang moniker name mo? Di ba may mga ganun sa bahay ni Kuya?
Okay. I just like to be myself. And sana makita naman nung mga tao yung good side ko.
Yeah. And ano yung gusto mong moniker?
Ang hirap. Balikan na lang kita. Mga dalawang business days.
Ayan. Thank you so much. And invite mo na sila to watch Marikit.
Please catch Binibining Marikit ngayong February 10, 2:30 p.m. on GMA Afternoon Prime.
Thank you.